My name's my telephone number is 0972 067 495. My email is nguyễn thị huệ@gmail.com. My address is Hoàng Văn Thái Street, Thanh Xuân District. I graduated Banking Academy with a good diploma. My major is Business Administration. I have two languages, Vietnamese and English. I have a professional skill and professional experience. I took part in many business clubs at my school and some centers. My experience selling, marketing, operating, managing, and investing. Moreover, I'm very good about computers. I know about the companies a long time on TV, newspaper, and internet. So I found about the company since I like the company. I really want to work for the company